Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so that you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way apart from seeing 14 videos, 86 video, 23rd video. If you do not come sequence wise, there will be quite possibility to not understand because each and everything is mentioned in this book in a sequence way. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, friends. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it is ABHIMANYU BHABTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So in our last video, I've covered the topic called what does free will mean in relation to our life on earth. Okay, so this topic, and in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called if all soul are created by God, how can same soul be evil. Okay, so this I'm going to cover in today's video. Okay, so I will start, friends, and this video number is 133, 133rd number video, and the topic is if all soul are created by God, how can some soul be evil. Okay, to live means to grow spiritually, to move forward towards God. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri, to live means to grow spiritually, okay, and to move forward in our life. The word evil is the reverse of life. So basically the word evil, EVIL, is the reverse of LIVE. Evil refers to regression. It signifies a soul negative journey. So evil is basically a regression of a soul's negative journey. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. It's movement away from God caused by negative thought, words, and deeds. So its movement is away from God, which is caused by thought, words, and deeds. Right. The soul is eternal and can never be destroyed. So our soul is completely eternal, which cannot be destroyed. And even it is said that energy can't be created, can't be destroyed. So we are eternal, right? But it can be darkened. It can acquire darker shades when you make immoral choices and when you fail your tests on earth. So our soul cannot be destroyed, but it can be darkened. It can be create darker because when we keep on committing crime, keep on committing same sin, so our soul can be a evil, right? But it cannot be destroyed. What are you if not a sum of your thought, words, and deeds? So here this question being raised: who are you? What are you? You are just the sum, addition of your thoughts, words, and deeds. In a way, it is completely true. This Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. How can you separate your action from your soul? The soul is strengthened or weakened because of your action. So you cannot separate one from other. So your soul is strengthened or weakened by your action, right? So you cannot separate one from other. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Why people wander off onto the wrong path? They justified their action or they saw they gave in temptation during a moment of weakness. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling why people wander onto the wrong path, why people just walk onto the wrong path, they try to do commit negative karma in their lifetime. Why they do so? What's the reason behind that? This may say. So here let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshir Bhavnagri. They may say you cannot understand what I am going through, but circumstances cannot be used uh, as an excuse of immoral action. So those who commit crime, they will be telling you do not understand what I am going through, what with what feelings I am going through. But the truth is that you cannot give reason for your immoral action, whatever wrong you are doing in your life. So you cannot justify that wrong thing. So that thing is going to be wrong only. It cannot be justified under any circumstances. It cannot be justified under any circumstances. Okay. You must accept responsibility for all your action. You live in the present. So you are responsible for each and every action. So whatever you are living in the present, right? So you are on the sole responsible for each and of your action, right? Whatever you are doing at present, right? Present, and cannot separate yourself from present action. So whatever you are doing, you cannot separate. You cannot tell no, I am separating myself from this action. It cannot happen, friends. If at this moment you are on wrong path, you cannot look at past and tell yourself that you were good human being at that time. So today if you are in a wrong path, so you cannot look yourself and justify and say that you are a wrong human being, or you were a correct human being, right? You cannot justify your wrong action in front of the nature in the correct way, because God Almighty knows everything. You cannot fool God Almighty under any circumstances, friend. Okay. You live in present and shall be judged accordingly by your own subconscious mind. You were the act then. So whatever you live in your present, your subconscious mind will be judging you in the future. Okay. You are the act now, and who you are is the result of what you think, say, and do. So who you are is the result of what you think, say, and do. Okay, friends. So this is the truth. It is said that it is godly to help everyone. So it is a very good statement that we should always help everyone, and it is always godly to help everyone. And in each and every circumstances and situation, we should think of helping other person and not taking advantage of any person. It is good to help your fellow man, but you cannot help all your fellow men as someone are totally negative. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavanagari a very important and beautiful statement. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling you can help your fellow person whom you know, but whom you doesn't know you cannot help back, because there is quite possibility that person may be a negative soul and maybe in a situation of a negative, he is doing all negative thing his life, in his or her life. So if you are helping that person, that means you are promoting negativity, and which is completely wrong and which should not happen under any circumstances. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. You may think it is not for you to decide who is negative and who is not. To do that is being judgmental. Because many a time we may thought, who are we to judge somebody? To think that this person is correct, this person is good, or this person is bad, or this person is wrong is completely judgmental. Making views of that person earlier, so it is wrong. We may think in that way. Do not be judgmental, but use your judgment. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling us a very beautiful statement that do not be judgmental about anybody. Do not make decision that this person is like this or this person is like that. Just use your judgment. Just use your brain. Whether this person is good or whether this person is bad. Just you can be use your judgment, but you cannot be judgmental under any circumstances. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. The difference is simple. When you analyze whether another human being is good or not. So this difference is completely simple, that when we analyze this person is good or this person is bad, friends. Okay. It is not a judgment made out of superiority to put them down. So this is basically not a judgment which is made out of superiority to put a particular individual down, friends. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. But rather out of awareness, a spiritual instinct that God has given you for the protection of your own spirit as well as the spirit of who those around you. So this God have given you this instinct, inner instinct, that where you can think that you're correct or you're wrong, by which you can protect yourself, right, friends? So this is basically a instinct which is given by God. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. By helping negative soul, you are providing them with sustenance so that they can continue their wrong action. So by promoting and by helping negative soul, you are promoting their negative action, and so that they could continue their negative action, friends. Okay, you are encouraging them by doing so you fall spiritually, since you are failing to take moral stand. So by doing this you fall spiritually, because you are taking a negative stand. Okay, the only time you should help a negative soul is when he has repented for his deed and genuinely want to improve. So there is only one time where you want to help the negative soul, because he have repented genuinely and want to improve, friends. Okay, this is your duty to bring him out of negative influence and help him progress to a higher level. So this is your duty to bring that soul out of negativity and help him to progress higher level and go higher level in his or her life. Good judgment is about truth. Being judgmental is about ego. So good judgment is about truth, and being judgmental that this person is like this person is like that, it is completely ego and which is wrong. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. The choices you make on earth build the foundation of your home in the spirit world. This is a very important statement, friends. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri, the whatever choices we are making, it builds the foundation of your home in the spirit world. So it's basically foundation, right? On earth you can either choose to be a slave to the physical mind or a student of the subconscious mind. So this is also a very important thing which Vipsi and Ratu is telling. In earth we can just choose to be a slave of a physical mind or a good student of a subconscious mind. And what we should choose, we should always choose to be a good student of a subconscious mind, friends. The gift of free will is our, we must use it wisely. So the gift of free will is completely ours and we should use it wisely, friends. So friends, this topic came to an end. The today's topic was, if all soul are created by God, how can some soul be evil? So this was a, so this topic came to an end. So and this chapter also came to an end. In our next chapter we'll start karma. Okay, friends. So I will and as always I say, friend, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you will understand it in a better way, apart from seeing 14 video, 86 video, 33rd video, 48 video. So there is quite possibility that you can get confused, friends. Okay, and before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you'll get the notification, friends. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can directly ask me in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay happy, and always do good karma in your life, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, friends, take care.